Yes, good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. In the last class, I have given one homework. Homework दिया था? Have I given any homework?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. दिया था sir.
What was the problem?
एक मिनट sir.
Can you tell me so that I will solve that one also?
Sir, 7th.
Okay. This is theta 1. This is theta 2.
Sir,
Okay, tell me.
सर परसों का लेक्चर आपने अपलोड नहीं किया?
No, I have uploaded all the lectures.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Just check it. So yesterday lecture also, today morning I have uploaded everything. All the lectures I have uploaded. Okay. See, let's move to the concept. So in the last class we were telling that. So if I consider this is F1 force, this is F2 force, this is F3 force, this is F4 force. Okay. So how much is the angle here? This is towards the east. East को कितना रहता है angle? 0 degree. Okay.
Sir, screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible.
Visible.
It's visible, sir.
Wait, I will share one more time. Now this PPT is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there anyone who is not visible?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay. Next, I will share the white screen. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now tell me. So what is this direction? Y direction. What it is called as? It is north. How much is the angle here?
It will be 90.
90 degree. Okay, good.
90.
And this is west side. And how much is the angle here?
180.
180.
It is 180. This is west side. It is 180 degree. Okay. So this is south side, and it is how much?
270.
270.
Again, when you come to the east, so how much it is? It is
360.
360. Okay. So in case, so whatever we have taken till now, that is horizontal component. How will you denote the horizontal component? It is Fx. Correct. Fx is the horizontal component. So this horizontal component, this Fx equal to, what is the formula I have told?
F cos
F cos theta.
F cos theta. Next, what is the vertical component? Fy is equal to
F sin
sin theta. And theta should be with respect to horizontal only. I told. Okay. So in sometimes, if yesterday we have seen some of the problem, the theta was given with respect to vertical. Correct. Vertical में दिया था. So in that case, what you have done, you have calculated with respect to horizontal. हॉरिजॉन्टल से कैलकुलेट करके हमने सॉल्व किया था, बराबर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what I will tell, so instead of calculating the horizontal angle, by taking the vertical angle only we can calculate. So how to calculate that one? So see, in the first quadrant, how he has given theta value? It is theta values. Wait. This is, I will take it as theta 1. This is, I will take it as theta 2. In the first quadrant, that is F1 force is making an angle theta 1 with respect to horizontal, correct? And F2 force making an angle theta 2 with respect to vertical. So how will be these two forces? So this is the vertical component of F1 and this is the horizontal component of F1. So how to denote these two? So I will take it as this one Fy and this is Fx. Okay. Now can you tell me how much is this value? This is F1 of X, correct? Then can you tell me what is this one? F1 of Y. Okay. Now what is the formula? F1 of X equal to how much? What is the formula? F1
Cos
cos
theta.
theta 1. This is F1 Y is equal to F1 sin
Sin theta.
Sin theta.
theta 1, correct? अभी देखो इन सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में आइए, this F2 force is making an angle theta 2 with respect to horizontal है क्या with respect to vertical है?
Vertical.
Vertical, right? So if it is a vertical, then so instead of calculating the horizontal angles, okay, so how to solve this one? So this is tell me what is this one? F1 F2 Y, correct?
Yes.
F2 Y. And what about this one?
F2
F2 X. So now listen to me carefully, everyone. Whenever a force is making an angle theta with respect to horizontal or with respect to vertical, जो उसके किसके साथ एंगल बना रहे हैं ना, उसको हम cos कंपोनेंट लेने का, ओके? देन दूसरा जो लाइन है ना, दूसरा डायरेक्शन, उसमें साइन लेने का. See, F1 force is making an angle theta 1 with respect to horizontal. इसके लिए horizontal का कंपोनेंट cos लिया हम, ओके? वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट में क्या लिया? साइन लिया. Okay, now come to the F2 force. F2 force is making an angle theta 2 with respect to vertical direction. Hence, tell me what is F2 upper direction? F2y. F2y is equal to F2
Cos theta 2.
yes, F2 cos theta 2.
Yes.
Next, F2 x is equal to F2 x is equal to F2
Minus.
F2 minus, we will write minus later. F2
Yes, sir.
sin theta
Sin
2. So
Yes.
this is also minus. F2y is minus or plus?
Sir,
Moving upward
sir.
direction.
Y opposite, sir.
This is positive. This is
Yes, X is minus.
X is negative. So listen to me carefully. So whenever a force is making an angle with respect to some direction, along that direction, the component is always cos. Okay. Then remaining component is always sin. Clear everyone? So a पहला जो force था ना इधर, this force F1 is making an angle theta 1 with respect to x axis. Okay, that's why x component is cos and another component is sin. Next, F2 force is making an angle theta 2 with respect to vertical direction, that is y direction. That's why F2y जो है ना, that is we have taken cos theta 2. Then remaining is F2x we have taken, that is sin theta 2. ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, मीन्स जो उन्होंने एंगल दिया ना वैसे as it is एंगल लेके, so always along which angle he has given on that direction we have to take cos theta, okay, and the remaining direction is sin theta. Okay, now I will take one more. This is third quadrant, so this is theta 3. Okay, now you can take this is, so this resultant F3 force is moving in this direction, then along x direction this is x direction, then along y direction this is y direction force. Okay, so now can you tell me what will be the F3x
Yes,
and F3y? So
Y.
this is what? F3 x. This is F3
F3Y.
y. Now so wait, I will just rub with I'll do the erases. First, I will write this one. First quadrant. First quadrant. First, you tell me this one. First quadrant में क्या लिखा था हमने? That you tell me. F1 of x. F1x is equal to. Tell me.
F1 cos theta 1.
F1 cos theta 1. Next, F1 y is equal to.
Y.
Is equal to
F1
F2
sin theta 1.
F1 sin theta 1. Okay. Next, I will move to the second quadrant. So second quadrant में क्या आएगा?
F2x.
F2y.
So this is second quadrant. So this is second quadrant. So okay. So now I will take the F2x, that is now tell me F2x, tell me F2x we have written here. So first we will write the cos component, that is F2y we will
F2y.
write cos component. So F2y is equal to plus F2 cos theta 2. Next F2x is equal to minus
F2 sin theta 2.
sin theta 2. Okay. So next I will move to the third quadrant. Third quadrant. Okay. So what will be the third quadrant?
F3x.
Yes, all of you see. Yeah. This F3, that is cos theta is with respect to vertical है. इसके लिए first क्या लिखने का? Vertical component लिखने का. What is vertical component? F3
y आएगा सर. F3y.
F3y. So F3y. F3y is moving in upward direction or downward direction?
Downward sir.
Downward
Minus.
direction.
Minus. Is it cos component or sin component?
It will be
Cos component. F3. Tell me. Cos theta 3. Next, F3x component.
Sorry,
F3x component is moving left hand side or right hand side?
Left hand side.
It is plus or
Left
minus?
hand.
It is negative.
Minus
F3
F3 sin theta 3.
sin theta 3. Okay. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I will take one more theta here. Okay. So whether I will take vertical or horizontal? I will take vertical only. Okay. So this is theta 4. F4 is making an angle theta 4 with respect to vertical. So how to write it? So this is in fourth quadrant. So how will be the fourth quadrant?
F4y.
So first is I have to write the cos component. Cos is along x along horizontal or vertical?
Vertical.
So just this is vertical direction and one more is it is horizontal direction. Okay. So x this is moving in downward, vertical is moving downward direction and horizontal is moving in horizontal direction. This value is what? This is F4x. This is F4y. So now tell me F4y. F4y is equal to tell me.
Minus cos theta 4.
Minus F4
Theta 4.
F4 cos theta 4. Next F4x is equal to tell me. Plus
F4 sin theta 4.
Theta 4. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
So,
Yes, sir.
listen to me. Whenever theta is given along a horizontal direction or a vertical direction, okay, किसके साथ दिया ना उसका component always cos component, and the remaining जो है ना direction, that is always it is sin component. Clear, everyone?
Yes sir.
Just take this one. Will you take the screenshot or you will write it? Write it. All of you write this one. Okay. So this is east and it is 0 degree or it is 360 degree. All of you write this one. F1x, F1y, F2x, F2y. Okay. All of you write this one. So you are not get confusion anywhere. Okay. उन्होंने प्रॉब्लम में along horizontal दिया तो horizontal component is x. Along vertical दिया तो angle vertical component is x. Okay. So plus minus is as it is. If it is moving right side and upward, it is plus. If it is moving left side and downward, it is minus.
सर रिपीट करा ते कॉस आणि साइन कधी घ्यायचं.
Okay, good. I will repeat. See, whenever, so in the last class, we have seen always x component. X component क्या लिखा था हमने? Tell me. आप बोलिए. F क्या लिखा था हमने? Fx is equal to क्या लिखा था? F cos theta लिखा था. हाँ? And vertical component is Fy. Fy में क्या लिखा था? F sin theta. This theta is what? With respect to horizontal लिया था हमने. Correct? हमने जो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया ना, थीटा कैसे कंसीडर किया? That is with respect to horizontal लिया था. Okay, so this is F force. So this is the theta. ऐसे कैलकुलेट किया था. If this is the force, in case he has given 30 degree ऐसे दिया तो हमने थीटा इधर कैलकुलेट किया था. So this theta is 60 ऐसे बोल के. That is with respect to horizontal. So whenever you take theta with respect to horizontal, this formula we are using. In case sometime, so इधर देखो ये प्रॉब्लम में क्या दिया था, उन्होंने वर्टिकल दिया था. जो एंगल वर्टिकल दिया तो सो किसके साथ उन्होंने एंगल दिया ना, वो कंपोनेंट एक्स कंपोनेंट. सो रिमेनिंग इज वाई कंपोनेंट. अभी देखो दिस इज आई विल टेक हैव फोर्स. ओके, ये थीटा इधर है ना, सो इसका कंपोनेंट एक्स कंपोनेंट, दिस इज एक्स कंपोनेंट एंड दिस इज वाई कंपोनेंट. Just a minute, I will draw the bigger figure. See, so what he has given? He has given इधर एक फोर्स है. ये फोर्स कैसे मूवमेंट हो रहा है? So it is moving in this direction. इसका x कंपोनेंट कहाँ है? इसका x component is, this is x component, correct? And this is y component, correct?
Yes.
So this angle, this force F is making an angle theta with respect to x component है ना. So इसके लिए, so इसके x component वैल्यू क्या हो गया? F F cos theta. Y component क्या हो गया? F sin theta. Okay, ऐसे दिया था. So in case the same problem. Is it visible screen? Screen
Yes.
visible है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
मैंने जो लिख रहा है वो दिख रहा है ना? So this is the diagram he has given. So here what he has done? So this is the force, same force I am considering. Okay, so same force I am considering. Just what I am changing? I am changing the F force, this theta. Now theta, how he has given? Tell me how he has given theta with respect to horizontal or vertical? Vertical. So इसके लिए vertical component क्या लेने का? ये vertical component is cos theta लेने का. So F cos theta. F cos theta. Then horizontal component क्या लेने का? F sin theta. Okay. Means whenever theta is given, which direction में गया, वो direction का component cos theta लेने का. Then remaining direction क्या है? Component is, that is sin.
Sin.
इधर देखो ये प्रॉब्लम है. ये प्रॉब्लम क्या दिया था? थीटा इज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x डायरेक्शन दिया था. इसके लिए x कंपोनेंट क्या दिया लिखा ना? cos एंड वर्टिकल इज sin. इस ये प्रॉब्लम में देखिए, ये प्रॉब्लम में क्या किया? थीटा इज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन दिया. इसके लिए वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट इज वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट इज
cos theta
and remaining is horizontal is sin theta. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
All of you, yes, any doubt? Yes, if is there any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
सर हॉरिजॉन्टल है या वर्टिकल है, कैसी पहचानने का?
हॉरिजॉन्टल थीटा के ऊपर ये थीटा देखो, ये थीटा है ना इधर, ये थीटा कैसे दिया है उन्होंने, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वर्टिकल है क्या हॉरिजॉन्टल है? देखो ये थीटा है ना इधर, ये थीटा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हॉरिजॉन्टल है, एक्स कंपोनेंट का है ये, करेक्ट है? ये थीटा का है देखो, ये इट इज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स है, फोर्स इज मेकिंग एन एंगल विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स कंपोनेंट। इधर देखो, इधर फोर्स एफ इज मेकिंग एन एंगल थीटा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स है क्या वाई है? वाई कंपोनेंट। हाँ इधर देखो, सो दिस फोर्स F2 force is making an angle theta 2 with respect to vertical direction or horizontal direction? With respect to vertical, no?
Vertical.
Correct. So this is with respect to vertical. See here, F3 force is making an angle theta 3 with respect to horizontal है क्या vertical है? Vertical. So इसके लिए vertical component F3y क्या लिखा है हमने? हाँ, cos theta. And F3x is sin theta. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. All of you have taken this one figure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class, if the quadrant y was given, हमने डिस्कस कर रहा था ये प्रॉब्लम देखो, yes, this problem, 7th problem. Okay, so I will solve one more time that problem so that you will come to know. Some people were asking this one. So स्क्रीन विजिबल है ना सभी को? यस
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट देखो, रिजॉल्व ए फोर्स ऑफ 100 न्यूटन एक्टिंग 35 डिग्री। हाँ, हाउ ही हैज गिवन वेस्ट साउथ डायरेक्शन दिया। सो व्हाट इज वेस्ट, व्हाट इज साउथ? टेल मी। सो व्हाट अबाउट दिस वन? ईस्ट। दिस इज नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन, दिस इज वेस्ट डायरेक्शन, दिस इज south direction. Okay. So whenever he has given, so in the last class what I told, if he has given in the quadrant system, that is with respect to vertical मैंने बोला था. Okay, just make a correction. So whenever he has given 35 degree west south, so this 35 degrees with respect to south, okay. So इसके लिए ये quadrant कैसे आता था? हाँ, कौन सा quadrant पे आता वो? West south means first or second, third quadrant? Third. This is west, this is south. So the force is in this direction. Okay, acting away from the point or towards the point? Acting away from the point. So away from the point means arrow mark is away from the origin. Correct? Force सभी को clear हो रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
How much is the force? It is 100 Newton.
100.
Now this 35 degree, how we have taken in the last problem? This is vertical, correct? This is 35 degree we have taken. Okay, so this is with respect to, tell me, with respect to south.
Vertical.
So last जो direction है ना, that we have to consider 35 degree with respect to south. अभी मैंने concept बोल दिया था ना. So if it is a vertical angle is making a with respect to vertical, then वो component cos लेने का. Next, see. This is, tell me which component it is? This is which component? F? F? Fy or Fx? Fx component. So this is which component? F? Y component. Now in third quadrant both are negative, correct? So I will write F, tell me, Fy, cos component. So this 100 Newton is making an angle 35 degree with respect to vertical है, correct? So इसके लिए vertical component क्या sin हो cos हो?
Cos आएगा.
So this is plus or minus?
Minus.
100 cos 35 degree. Next, one more is Fx is equal to tell me, minus 100 sin 35 degree. So answer calculate करिए, all of you calculate the answer. Calculate the answer.
सर वो एंगल वर्टिकल ही क्यों हुआ?
हाँ, so I have not calculated horizontal. जैसे दिया ना वैसे ही calculate कर रहे हैं हम. Just we are taking the cos component. अभी 35 degree vertical दिया, इसके लिए हमने क्या किया? This vertical component is cos. So vertical component is cos.
नो सर, हॉरिजॉन्टल क्यों नहीं लिया वो?
सी हॉरिजॉन्टल भी ले सकते हैं. सो हॉरिजॉन्टल लिया तो क्या करते थे हम? थीटा इज इक्वल टू 90 माइनस 35 भी कर सकते थे. वो वैसे किया तो भी आंसर सेम आएगा आपको. सो आपको वो वही समझा रहे हैं. सो लास्ट क्लास में हमने किया था ना, सो दैट इज बाय टेकिंग 55 डिग्री, ओके 55 डिग्री लेके हम सॉल्व किया था। उसका आंसर और इसका आंसर दोनों आंसर चेक करेंगे सेम आ रहे क्या नहीं, इसके लिए हम आपको बोल रहे हैं। कैलकुलेट FY कितना आ रहा है आंसर, -100 cos 35 कितना आ रहा है,
-81.91
-81.91 न्यूटन। नेक्स्ट व्हाट अबाउट द x कंपोनेंट,
-57.35
35 न्यूटन।
सेम है सर्कल के आंसर्स की तरह।
हाँ चेक करो कल का आंसर एंड टुडेज आंसर, सो कैलकुलेट चेक द आंसर। सो कल का fx कितना था एंड FY कितना था, आज का fx एंड FY दोनों सेम है क्या, चेंज है, सेम है। इट मींस व्हाट वी हैव डन यस्टरडे, वी हैव टेकन theta is equal to 55 and fx is cos theta and FY is sin theta, and today what we have done, we have not changed the angle, we have taken same angle 35 लिया, but y component क्या लिया हमने, cos theta and x component क्या लिया, sin theta। means whenever angle is given along any direction, वो direction का component क्या रहता, cos रहता, ओके, अनदर डायरेक्शन का कंपोनेंट साइन रहता। सो आई विल टेक वन मोर प्रॉब्लम आपको क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग होने के लिए, ओके ये क्लियर है ना आंसर्स,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सो ऑल ऑफ यू concentrate here, all of you concentrate, I will take one more problem, okay write down resolve 50 Newton force, 50 Newton force acting 60 degree northwest direction, northwest comma away from a point, okay first what we have to draw, we have to draw the quadrangle, that is quadrants. So this is quadrant and this is quadrant. Now tell me what is to be written, this is what, north, this is east, this is west, this is south, okay now tell me, so this is in northwest quadrant, northwest means कौन सा quadrant आ गया, second quadrant, so second quadrant, so force is acting away or towards the point, it is away from the point, it means moving away from the origin or towards the origin,
away.
It is moving away from the origin, okay so this is moving, and how much is the force, it is 50 Newton force. Next see this angle, whether this angle is with respect to vertical or with respect to horizontal, that is
horizontal.
Decided,
horizontal,
yes he see this 60 degree he has given last क्या दिया, वेस्ट दिया ना, लास्ट वेस्ट मींस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वेस्ट है, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वेस्ट मींस दिस इज 60 डिग्री। सभी को क्लियर हो गया?
यस सर।
ओके, इफ इट इज 35 डिग्री वेस्ट नॉर्थ ऐसे दिया तो, हाँ वेस्ट ऐसे दिया तो क्या होता था,
नॉर्थ की तरफ से 35।
हाँ दिस इज सी दिस 35 डिग्री नॉर्थ है ना, सो दिस इज 35 ऐसे होता था। Okay, now in this problem he has given 60 degree north west दिया, so that's why this is with respect to west direction में 60 degree है, ऐसे दिया तो ऐसे हो जाता। Okay, don't get confusion, second one we will clear this one. Okay, so उन्होंने जो दिया वो ऐसे लेंगे। Clear this is problem?
Yes.
Now tell me, so calculate fx component, fx and fy. Fx and fy. So fx, how will be the fx? It is in towards the this direction, correct? Fx direction.
Negative.
And this is tell me fy direction. So fx component. Tell me fx component. Theta is making with respect to x axis. So it is cos. So F is cos theta. Minus or plus?
Minus.
Minus.
Because it is moving in negative direction. So how much is the answer? That is 50 cos 50 cos
60.
60. That is equal to minus 25 Newton. Next, upward direction. Fy is moving upward direction. How much is plus? F sin theta. So that is plus 50 sin 60. So how much is the answer? Answer.
Minus 43.30.
43.30. माइनस क्यों?
प्लस नहीं, वो गलती से आया.
हाँ ऐसे नहीं होने का. ओके, एग्जाम में भी ऐसे नहीं होने का. ओके, so you can write the plus or minus, or you can, if you don't write plus or minus, you have to show the direction. See,
Arrow.
Arrow says you have to. I will write it is only 25 Newton. Now this 25 Newton is moving in along right direction or left direction? Minus means
Left.
direction.
Left. Backwards.
You have to write this one in the inside the bracket. Okay, that is left direction. That is left direction you have to write. Next, this 43 plus, don't write plus. Okay, directly you can write the 43. Okay, this 43.30 Newton. Is it moving upward direction, downward direction?
Upwards.
Upward direction. Okay, like this also you have to write. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write it. All of you write down. All of you write on this one. ऐसे कॉन्सेप्ट में दो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दिया. Yesterday is one problem, that is today is one problem. Okay, so always when theta is given, okay, that is in a quadrant system, जो लास्ट में जो दिया ना, with respect to that direction only you have to consider. Wait a minute. Okay, sure. सभी को क्लियर हो गया? Is there any doubt to anyone?
No,
किसी
sir.
को?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
So if I give any question for homework, will you solve it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will give two problems now. So for a homework, you have to solve that one, and you have to reply in WhatsApp or the Telegram. Telegram में मैं नहीं, Telegram में भी आप मेरे को send कर सकते हैं. Okay, answers verify करेंगे. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
You have my number correct? In the first class I have given. So you just
No,
search in the Telegram so that you will get. See. Okay, you just contact, if you have any doubt you can contact to this number. टेलीग्राम में सॉल्व करके आंसर भेजने का, नहीं तो व्हाट्सएप में भी भेज सकते हैं. Okay, can I erase? Shall we go to next slide?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, only one or two people sound आ रहे हैं.
हाँ सर.
Sir.
Because there are 58 students.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so all of you write down two problems for homework. Resolve a force of 500 Newton acting towards a point in in southwest. A first problem. Next one. Resolve a force of 500 Newton acting away from point in southwest. Are you getting the difference? ये दोनों प्रॉब्लम में क्या डिफरेंस है?
Yes, sir.
क्या डिफरेंस है? Towards and away. Resolve a force of 500 Newton acting away from point in west south. Next, resolve a force of 500 Newton acting towards a point in west south. Just I have changed the quadrant here. Southwest to west south. Okay, all of you have to solve these 4 problems. Okay, these 4 problems you have to solve. So I will give the answers in the next class only. So if you have any queries, you have to ask in the next class. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I go to the next concept?
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, okay. We will do the law of parallelogram of forces. So, what we have studied in the law of parallelogram of forces? Can anyone tell me? Whenever two forces are acting concurrently. Okay. Wait. Whenever two forces are acting concurrently, those two forces are represented as a adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Okay, ये एक body है. Okay, this is a point O. Okay, this is a point O. So if I take this is F1 force and this is F2 force. Okay, so this will be represented as tell me, as a adjacent sides of a parallelogram. So this is one and this is another force. Okay, so these two are represented as adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Next, so a parallelogram, this is how much? Along x-axis, how much it is? It is F1 force. This is how much? It is F2 force. A parallelogram complete करेंगे. So how to complete this parallelogram? So this is completed by drawing like this. Okay, so this is completed by drawing this parallelogram. Next, as for the parallelogram of force, इसका resultant कौन सा है? So this is the resultant, diagonal. So this is the resultant of the force. Okay, so I will write it is R. And the angle between these two forces, how much it is? Theta. And what of the resultant is making an angle? It is alpha. Okay, so I will consider this is O. Okay, and I will extend this line. So this line I will extend it. So just I will extend this line. Okay, and I will draw a perpendicular line from this point. So this is O. I will take this OA. OA is equal to F1 force. Next, OB is equal to F2 force. Then what about this one? Resultant is OC. So I will drop this CD. I will drop this CD along OA. Is it clear diagram? So what I have done, F1 force and F2 force as it is मैंने लिया. So इसका parallelogram complete कर दिया. So parallelogram क्या है? OACB. This is a parallelogram. So R is the resultant of F1 and F2. So now can you, so let इधर लिखेंगे. Let F1 and F2 be, so don't write anything. Okay, everything will be there in the PPT. Just आपको समझाने के लिए मैंने लिख रहा है. F1 and F2 be the two concurrent coplanar forces. Okay, so these are represented as a adjacent sides of parallelogram. Okay, then so complete a parallelogram what is the name of the parallelogram? OACB, correct? OACB is a parallelogram. Next, so drop CD perpendicular to OA. So क्या कर दिया इधर? CD perpendicular to OA. Okay, so can you see here one triangle OCD एक triangle है, everyone. So from triangle OCD, do you know Pythagoras theorem?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is Pythagoras theorem?
OC square
is equal to
CD square plus OD square.
OC square is equal to OD square plus CD square. Correct, everyone? This OD can be written as OA plus AD, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Plus this is CD as it is, CD square. Okay, this is whole square. Next, from figure, I'll check it. Later. From figure, okay, can you tell me what is the value of OA? OA की value कितना है?
F1.
OA is equal to F1. Okay, so see all of you, if this is theta, this angle is how much? This is also theta, correct? This is also theta. Or you consider this one. So I want to calculate this value, AD value. So how to find out the AD value? So what is this one? And what is this one? If this is F2, then what about this one? This is also F2.
F2.
Okay. This F2 is making an angle how much? This is theta. Okay.
Theta.
From this ACD triangle, from triangle ACD, can you tell me what is cos theta? Cos theta. Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent क्या है? AD upon AC. AD value कितना है? I want to find out this one. From this, AD is equal to AC value कितना है? AC is equal to how much? Here, see here. AC is equal to F2. So F2 cos theta. Then can you tell me what is sin theta from this triangle? What is sin theta?
CD upon.
That is CD upon AC. CD upon AC. Okay. What is CD value? I want to find out the CD value. So CD is equal to F1. So AC is equal to F1. So AC is equal to F2. It is not F1. F2. F2. Sin sin
Sir.
theta. So next, this OA value, AD value, CD value, substitute in equation number 1. So take it is equation number 1. Yes. Please mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. Roll number 57, Rohan. Mute yourself. Okay. Now tell me. Substitute all these values in the equation number 1. OC square is equal to, what will be the equation number 1? Yes, tell me. Equation number 1. OC square is equal to OA. OA means how much? OA means how much? F1 plus
F1.
OA होने के बाद next क्या है? AD है. AD value is how much?
F2 cos theta.
F2 cos theta whole square plus CD में मतलब क्या कितना है? CD is equal to
F2 sin theta.
F2 sin theta whole square. Now, what is A plus B whole square?
A square plus twice a b plus b square.
So expand this one. So expansion karo. F1 square plus
F2 square cos square theta.
F2 square cos square theta plus
2F1 F2 cos
times
theta.
F1
F1 F2 cos theta.
cos theta plus tell me
F2 square sin
square theta. Okay. Next, what I will write? I will write F1 as it is. F1 square plus. So here F2 square cos square theta and F2 square sin square theta. I will take F2 square outside. So inside the bracket, what it is remaining? Cos square theta plus sin square theta, correct? So it is remaining is okay. So here it is remaining is cos square theta plus sin square theta. Again plus remaining is 2 times F1 F2 cos theta. Okay. So now tell me what is F1 square? F1 square as it is plus F2 square as it is. What is this one? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is how much?
1.
It is 1 plus next is 2 times.
F2 cos theta.
So 2 times F1
F2.
wait a minute. 2 times F1
F2
2 times F1 F2 cos theta.
Cos theta.
So this is OC square. What is OC from the figure? OC मतलब क्या है?
Hypotenuse.
That is
Resultant.
resultant. So resultant is R. R square is equal to. Now R is equal to. Tell me what is R is equal to? Under root of F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 times F1 F2 cos theta. Okay, so this is the formula for resultant of forces. Okay, this is the formula. So this is what you have to write it. वो derivation पूछे तो this is how you have to do the derivation. Clear this one? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is there anyone having any doubt in the derivation? Okay, so this is resultant force हो गया. Then I want to find out its direction. So direction कैसे है? Alpha. Okay, so from the triangle OCD, can you tell me what is tan alpha? Okay, I will write here.
Sir, F2
एक मिनट, I will write here direction. So I will write here. So direction, or I will write it in the next. Okay, next slide only I will write. What is tan alpha? What is from the triangle OCD? What is tan alpha? Tell me. CD, CD upon OD, correct? CD upon OD. Tan alpha is equal to everyone. So tan alpha is equal to, I will write here only so that I will confuse. So tan alpha is equal to, tan alpha is equal to, tell me from the triangle OCD. CD upon OD. What is CD value? What is CD value? CD value is how much? CD. Here we have calculated. See.
F2 sin theta.
Sin theta. Then what is OD? OD is equal to OA plus AD, correct?
Oh.
OA plus AD, correct? So this F2 so this is F2 sin theta divided by OA मतलब कितना है? F1. OA means F1 plus AD means how much here? AD means F2 cos theta. F2 cos theta. So now what I will write? Alpha is equal to I will transfer this tan to this side. Tan inverse of inside the bracket. Tell me.
F2
sin theta
divided by
F1 plus F2 cos theta.
F1 plus
F2 cos theta.
F1 plus
plus
F2
cos
cos
theta.
theta. Okay, this is how you have to derive. Clear this direction and this resultant force?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
this is very, very important for the examination point of view. Okay, most of the problem, that is most of the exam, this is asked for the 6 marks. Okay, very, very important. Okay, so you have to solve. So it is there in the PPT, whatever I have shared in the presentation, no? So in that one, it is there. Okay. Law of parallelogram. See, here it is there. You can copy this one. Okay, this full clear it is. Okay, see what is our resultant? F1 square, this F1 square plus 2 times F1 F2 cos theta plus F2 square. This sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then tan alpha is equal to tan inverse of F2 sin theta divided by F1 plus F2 cos theta. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see there are some particular cases. Screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There are some particular cases. If this theta is equal to 90 degree, अभी देखो इधर जो फोर्स है ना F1 and F2, ये दोनों के बीच में जो एंगल थीटा है, if this theta is equal to 90 degree हुआ तो क्या होता? So substitute 90 F1 square plus 2 times of F1 F2 cos 90. How much is the cos 90? Cos 90 कितना? 0 plus F2 square means this term is getting 0, means resultant force is equal to under root of F1 square plus F2 square. See, when theta is equal to 90 degree, then resultant force is equal to under root of F1 square plus F2 square. So this is the figure. F1 force and F2 force, this ka resultant, this is resultant. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
When this theta is equal to 0 degree, it means all the F1 force and F2 force are moving in the same direction, collinear direction. Okay, then theta is equal to 0. So in that condition, so F1 square plus 2 times of F1 F2 plus F2 square. Why here it is cos 0? How much is the cos 0?
1.
Cos 0 is 1. That's why he has taken only 2 times of F1 F2. Then what is the formula for F1 square plus 2 times of F1 F2 plus F2 square? That is equal to what? F1 plus F2 the whole square? F1 plus F2 the whole square. So what he has done here, F1 plus F2 the whole square है, इसका under root है. So this square get cancels. So that's why remaining is F1 plus F2. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next is last one is, that is if the theta is 180 degree. So if the theta is 180 degree, means instead of moving in the same direction, if this F2 force is making an angle theta equal to 180 degree, then what will be the resultant? Theta is 180 degree. Substitute. Okay, ये formula में substitute करेगा. F1 square plus 2 times of F1 F2 cos 180 plus F2 square. Okay, cos 180 क्या है? That is minus 1. So F1 square minus 2 times of F1 F2 plus F2 square. So this is F1 minus F2 the whole square formula. So again square and square root get cancelled. So remaining is F1 minus F2. Okay. So this is the for the first case. This is for the second case. F1 and F2 are moving in the same direction. F1 and F2 are moving in the opposite direction. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you are coming for the next class, you have written this statement correct? Law of parallelogram of forces.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You have
Yes.
to do this derivation. You have to write this derivation also. Okay. This derivation
Sir.
and up to this much you have to write it and come.
Sir,
Ah.
we can write this proof by our way.
No, you have to copy this one as it is. So आपको समझ में आता है what he statement he has used. Okay. उन्होंने आपको whatever however it is understood. Okay. उन्होंने जो sentence लिखा है ना that you have to copy. Okay. So copy this one and you will do the next. Okay.
Sir,
Is it
इसकी
clear?
PPT. इसकी PPT
Already uploaded ना in a teaching diary.
डायरी में.
हाँ diary में है already uploaded है.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You just download that PPT and you have to do the derivation. वो जो 4 problems and this derivation you have to draw in the next class. Clear everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So okay, now we will stop here. So we will continue in the next class. Okay.